Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Came Learn English. Today I have some exercise for you to practice about competition of adjective. បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel Came Learn English សាជាថ្មីបាទថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានលំហាត់សម្រាប់អនុវត្តបាទស្ដីពី competition of adjective បន្តកាលពីវីដេអូមុនណា Okay, now let's go. One, choose the correct words in parentheses to complete each sentence. បាទចឹងឲ្យយើងមកពេញបាទបំពេញនៅចន្លោះនេះដោយប្រើពាក្យនៅក្នុងរង្វង់កញ្ចក់យកមកបំពេញឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវតាមទម្រង់ណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងលក្ខណៈជា multiple choice មាន2សម្រាប់យើងណាសម្រាប់ជ្រើសរើស Okay, now let's go. Yeah, one, this is the chicken I ever eaten. ចឹងយើងមាន2មាន more delicious ហើយនិង most delicious ចឹងយើងដឹងស្រាប់ហើយកាលពីវីដេអូមុនមកគឺយើងមកសិក្សាអំពីគុណនាមវែងនិងគុណនាមខ្លីហើយនឹងយើងមើលអំពីប្រយោគហ្នឹងថាតើវាចូលនៅក្នុងទម្រង់មួយណាព្រោះនៅក្នុងនេះគឺមាន2ទេគឺមានកម្រិតជាងនិងកម្រិតដាច់គេបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញ this is the kinder អញ្ចឹងវាចូលជា superlative មែនទេអញ្ចឹងយើងយក most delicious right អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចយក most delicious ជាមកបំពេញនៅក្នុងចន្លោះនេះមកណា Okay, most delicious chicken. And number 2, football is the sport of all. បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញ the ទៀតហើយអញ្ចឹងកន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺជាចូល super ទៀតហើយអញ្ចឹងយកមួយណា more exciting, most exciting, right? Okay, let's go and choose most what's it? Most exciting sport of all. And number 3, the weather is today than yesterday. Okay, more beautiful, most beautiful. Yeah, then ចឹងយើងឃើញ then លក្ខណៈជា compare ប្រៀបធៀបមែនទេចឹងយើងយក more. Okay, is more beautiful today than yesterday. And number 4, Penny is than her sister. Okay, ចឹង Penny ឈ្មោះឯណាយ៉ាងចឹងគេថា more excited ហើយនឹង most excited ចឹងយើងឃើញ then យក more ស្ថិតនៅក្នុង comparative right okay more excited than her sister. Number 5, there's the spelling word we have been assigned this week បាទចឹងយើងឃើញ the មែនទេចឹងវាចូលមួយណា more difficult most difficult បាទអញ្ចឹងគឺ the most មែនទេ okay the most difficult spelling word. And number 6, a basketball is a sport than facing អញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញ than ទៀតហើយ more physical and most physical អញ្ចឹងយើងយក more មែនទេ okay more okay physical. Number 7, winter is the season of all, right? More wonderful or most wonderful. Winter is the most, right? Okay, most wonderful season of all. And number 8, Bobby is a child than Jimmy. Yeah, more well behaved or most well behaved. So you can see then comparative, right? Okay, so you have to use more well behaved. Okay, that's all for exercise 1, everyone, and let's go to exercise 2. Yeah, continue. Okay, so exercise 2 in here, yeah, choose the correct adjective in parentheses to complete each sentence. Okay, ចឹងក៏យើងជ្រើសរើសនៅគុណនាមបានត្រឹមត្រូវនៅក្នុងវងកញ្ចក់ដើម្បីបំពេញបាទប្រយោគហ្នឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះគឺមាន3ទម្រង់មានទាំងទម្រង់ស្របបាទប្រៀបធៀបហើយនឹងកម្រិតដាច់គេអូខេមាន3ណា Okay, there are 3 forms in here. Yeah, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, right now let's choose and complete. Okay, number 1, Martin is than Marcia. Okay, so you can then change your older, oldest, older, right? Okay, older than Marcia. And number two, that is a very car. A small, smaller, smallish. That is a very small, right? Okay, small car. And number three, Mount Everest is the mountain in the world. Yeah, adjective high, higher, highest. Yeah, you can see the, right? So the highest. Number four, this is the blanket in the house. Yeah, warm, warmer, warmest. So the warmest, right? Okay. And number five, Mary is dancing right now. Yeah, Mary is dancing right now. You can see then, happy, happier, or happiest. So then just with comparative, right? Happy. Number six, that was the hot food Sunday I've ever eaten. Yeah, so the, right? Bigger because the biggest, right? Number seven, Katrina ran even then I did. Yeah, faster, fastest. Yeah, again, Katrina ran even, faster, right? You can see then, faster than I did. Number eight, January is the month of the year, right? Colder, coldest. Yeah, the just with superlative, right? So coldest month of the year. Number nine, that is a very facing pole. Yeah, longer, longest. Yeah, very, was it? Very long, right? Number 10, Mr. John is the teacher in the school. Nice, nicest. Yeah, just with the, what's it? Superlative, right? The nicest teacher in the school. Okay, that's all for exercise 2, and let's go to the last exercise. Yeah, for exercise 3, everyone. Choose the correct option of comparative or superlative, right? The same, from exercise 1 to 3. Okay, ចឹងនៅក្នុងលំហាត់ទី3នេះគឺវាស្តៀងគ្នាទេដោយសារលំហាត់ទី2គឺយើងមាន3ទម្រង់ទាំង exercise 3 មានន័យថា positive positive degree comparative degree ហើយនិង super តែចំណែក exercise 3 មានតែ comparative ឬក៏ superlative ដូច exercise 1 ដែរណា Okay, now let's go and start. One, Canada is then China, but Russia is the country. Yeah, bigger, biggest. Yeah, Canada is big to bigger, right? Bigger than China, but Russia is the biggest. And number 2, monkeys are, but ants are, smallest. Monkeys are small, right? But ants are smaller. Okay. Number 3, giraffe are the land animal. Adjective tall, taller, tallest. Number 3, giraffe are the, are the tallest animal, right? Tallest land animal, sorry. And number 4, boys usually have hair than girls. Shortest. Boys usually have, shorter hair than girls. Number 5, lamps are, but the sun is. Adjective bright, brighter, brightest. Lamps are, what's it? Lamps are bright, but the sun is, what's it? Brighter. Okay. Okay, now let's go to number 6. Mars is from us, but the Neptune is. Yeah. Adjective, far, further, farthest. And Mars is far, right? Is far from the Earth, but Neptune is, what's it? Farther, right? Farther. The last one, number 7. Emma is, but Stefan is. Yeah. Emma is happy, right? But Stefan is happy. Okay. Okay, so that's all for exercise. Yeah, exercise 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Okay, so for the newcomer, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, to get the new upload video. And thank you for watching, everyone. Goodbye.